Your next car could be the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Here's a future-ready Ioniq 5 that ticks every box on your EV shopping list and more. Connected, efficient, fun to drive, spacious, versatile, and undeniably stylish, this impressively designed automobile exceeds all expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver seat, alarm. Get the connectivity and comfort you deserve in this remarkable Ioniq 5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.